Okie dokie, news is out. We have 3 times as much supply of oil. What does it mean? It means it is bearish news. So why in the world is oil rallying? Because the end of the minor trend had been reached. Bullish rally is here. We're just waiting for one more confirmation before we can take a trade. If sellers do not step in now, we expect very, very powerful rally. But this is very critical levels. And picture perfect reminder. Adios fundamentals. If technicals contradict you, technicals will always override the news. The most powerful bearish news, and oil staged the rally 400 ticks. S&P is picking up this theme. On S&P, incredibly active and very, very jittery week. Trade number 7 this week, only one negative. Adjusting my trail to break even. Pretty please do not ignore these levels. Everything I do for demonstration purposes only, to show you that nothing in this world is random. And if S&P has enough juice to blast through reversal zones, we are migrating into drastically larger time frames. And what you're witnessing currently on oil is everything we teach in the course. And it would be such a fantastic case study for Friday. This is trade number 3 this morning on S&P in trading room. I had taken trade on 5 range, trade on 21, and trade on 8. Picture perfect example. Don't matter if you trade S&P 8 or if you trade Apple monthly. Poor Apple. If you know Alpha Wave Trader method, you would know. Ouch. The end of the minor trend is here. Apple monthly. Apple haven't been able to break through this level. Just like short trend on oil haven't been able to break through this level. Simple confirmation. Nothing in this world is random. Not even price. The same symmetry you see in the mirror, in the flower, in dance, in music, in waves, is the exact same symmetry you see in the price. So what are we witnessing on our trade on S&P? We're witnessing that one tick to reversal zone, sellers start stepping in. How predictable. We're witnessing very fascinating dance on oil. We're witnessing that incredibly powerful price move against fundamentals, which we witness on oil 95% of the time. Despite 3 times as much supply of oil, we had very, very powerful push to the upside. 100 ticks. Mucho push. But we didn't get the confirmation yet. We know better that sellers can step in at any moment and revisit this level. And that's what we're monitoring for at this particular moment. As oil showing pretty impressive selling pressure. So was this a bullish fake out for 100 ticks because the bearish trend reached the end of the minor trend? Or was this a meaningful reversal? Oil is telling us it was a bit of 100 tick fake out. Oil is showing right now potential of revisiting this level. That's what we're monitoring for very, very carefully. We already saw a very aggressive short entry we chose not to take. And we're monitoring oil to see what it will do next because sellers are here finally. Reminding you how critical these levels are, how important it is to know the end of the minor trend is not to be ignored forever. 100 tick bullish rally for the last 30 minutes, showing complete collapse as we speak. Buyers are still in charge on oil. This is despite very, very bearish news. Oil staged rally for almost 100 ticks. Oil had wrapped up its bearish correction. The buyers are still here, ladies and gentlemen. This is picture perfect reminder that this very, very powerful 100 tick rally. Fundamentals are worthless. Absolutely worthless if technicals contradict them. The end of the minor trend was respected, and here we are. At any moment, I will have a trade, and here we are, witnessing once again how important these levels are. That's why I love doing this. Look, decision point 1, the end of the minor trend, always present. Minor trend is always, always, always present, yes? How many days did the price, how many months did the price struggle to break through? Months. 2 months. 3, 4, 5, 6. Even on 6 months, price still was not able to break it. Only month 7. Price had taken a second pause at month 7. And why in the world had such chop on Amazon daily? Reversal zone on monthly is reached. Reversal zone on monthly is reached. It's a major, major chop on daily. This is potentially inception of the bearish trend on Amazon monthly. Here it is. Reminder, my dear, beautiful, amazing Alphys, the danger of acquiring a position at these levels does not pay off. I assure you. What you're witnessing on S&P and Netflix monthly, where Netflix had not been able to break through for 1 to 3 months and finally blasting through, pointing up to 495.50 and 668, is exactly the level where oil blasted from. What is the problem with oil? Oil is currently stuck in correction. Oil is doing nada, zero zilch, and as we discussed, we ain't touching oil. Incredibly powerful another educational day reminding you fundamentals are worthless unless they backed by technical. Very, very bearish news. 100-tick rally stuck in correction. So ladies and gentlemen, only one trade on oil that's set up at Alpha Wave Traders Club for 40 ticks. That's all there is. Oil is untouchable as expected. S&P is taking a major pause. So here we go, guys. What you witnessed today once again on oil is incredibly critical power of fundamentals versus news-driven event. Price had not collapsed. We had incredibly endless corrective fluff. Very, very slow oil since half an hour after news release. And again, reminder, if you know where these levels are, you know where to monitor for trend reversals, and you know where not to short into. Just another picture perfect examples. Another oil day where the rally went on for more than 100 ticks, reminding you, price is drastically more powerful than any news. So if you know where price is, you would completely respect the fact where oil is doing on other time frames, such as oil daily. Will oil finally grow up to decision point 2? Oil must break through this level to continue to reversal zone. This is what's causing this problem. This is where this rally is stalling, and no sellers, no powerful sellers are to be found anywhere. As long as you know how to trade pure price and Fibonacci, you can trade anything. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Adios, everybody. Look forward to seeing you.